Hello, beautiful and wonderful people. Welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make chocolate and vanilla cake. This turned out so delicious. This cake will literally melt in your mouth. It's yummicious. I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. I'll start by separating the egg white from the egg yolks. Just like so. Make sure you do not have any egg yolk in the egg white. If not, it's not going to whip well. This is what you're looking for. I'll set the egg yolks aside and then I'll add lemon juice to the egg white, sugar, and whisk this until it's firm. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So this is what you're looking for. As you can tell, I even tamed the bowl and then it was not coming out. Set that aside. To the egg yolks, I'll add in sugar. I'll whip this until it's creamy, until it turns to light pale yellow. I whip it for more or less from 5 to 7 minutes, and this is what you're looking for. It should be like this, creamy like this. I'll then add in oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice apart from olive oil. I then added in milk and then whisk this together till well combined. The reason why I said apart from olive oil is because when you use olive oil, you feel olive is very strong. I then sieved in flour and baking powder. I'll add in vanilla essence and salt, just a pinch of salt. I'll whisk this and mix it till well combined. But if you like the olive oil, you can use olive oil. It doesn't change anything. So I'll mix till everything has come together. This is the right consistency you're looking for. I'll then add in the egg white. I'll divide it into 3. Add in first 3/4 and then mix until well combined before adding in the rest. So you want to make sure you make it bit by bit, because you want it to mix well. If not, if you add in all at once, it wouldn't mix well or you find it difficult to mix it. So here my bowl was full and then I changed it to the other bowl because it was quite bigger than the one that I'm using, the blue one. I'll mix everything till well combined, just like so. You see how creamy it is. This is the right consistency you're looking for. I'll then pour 2/4 of the cake batter in my baking tray. So I'll left the 1/4 that is left, I'll keep it aside. I then went ahead and leveled it well, tapped it to take out any excess bubbles. In a separate bowl, I added in cocoa powder, water. I'll mix this until well combined. This is what you're looking for. I'll add it to the 1/4 of the cake batter left and then mix it till well combined. So guys, this cake is very easy, and trust me, once you are done you will love it. Mix the chocolate batter till well combined and then pour it on top of the vanilla batter. Make sure it's well leveled, so like as demonstrated in the video, don't pour it at only one place. Spread it on top, and then I use the back of the fork to make vertical and horizontal line, just like so. First vertical and then horizontal. I was having fun with this, guys. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try, because it's definitely a must try recipe and you're going to love it. Even the outcome of it, it's so beautiful, guys. I'll then tap to take out any excess bubbles and bake this at 165 degrees Celsius for from 20 to 25 minutes. Whilst the cake is baking, I went ahead to make the cream. For the cream, you will need whipping cream and cream cheese. I then added in red food color, which is totally optional. I'll mix it again till well combined and your filling is ready. So guys, this is what you're looking for. It should be firm like this. I'll set that aside. By then the cake is ready, and then I placed parchment paper on top. I'll place some something round on top and then flip it. After, I'll remove the baking tray, wrap it, and then or fold it and then keep it aside until it cools down completely. Make sure you fold it whilst it's still warm, but before folding it, cut off the excess that you don't need or it's not needed. As demonstrated in the video, as you can tell, I cut off the excess, like the 4 squares. I cut all of them to make sure it's well leveled. I then rolled it, wrap it, kept it aside for it to cool down completely before going to the next step. Once it cools completely, I'll then add in the filling. The filling, I added it to just a plastic bag, and then I cut off the edge like so. What is left for you to do is add it to it and you are good to go, guys. It's so delicious, trust me. Make this or try this recipe and you will love it. And there's it, guys. It's very simple, it's easy, and it's so delicious. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this cake. It's moist, it's delicious. Bye bye.